So how to fix this problem? Click on a search, type device manager, click on it, and here it is. So here you need to expand network adapters. Right click on your network adapter, click on properties, go to the driver tab and click on update driver, select automatically. So update completed, you can close now all windows here. Okay, next what you should do, click on this search icon, type here run, open run menu, and in a new window type services MCS and click on OK or hit enter. In a new window you need to search for VLAN autoconfig. So search for it, right click properties, startup type, select automatic and click on apply, and after that click on start. So click on OK, and same procedure do for Windows update. Right click properties, startup type, click on automatic, click on apply, start, and click on OK, and after that close all windows. Okay, second method what can help you. So click on the search icon, type here CMD, click on command properties, run as administrator. So right click and run as administrator. And here you need to enter following command what you can see on the screen. So enter this command and hit enter. So after that you should enter one more command. You can also see that on the screen. So type it. So nadash int ap reset log txt and hit enter. And this should fix your problem. Restart your computer and it should fix your system.